to our battalion commander, who will be properly introduced later. Good afternoon, sir. And of course, to the better half and the wife of our commanding officer, Ma'am Maricar Estonina, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for coming, ma'am. So, to my predecessor, Book, Captain Cuscano. Also to my co-CEOs, CEO Ford, Captain Oliver Sapino, and CEO Pip, fresh from jump off, Captain Valdez. To the staff officers, headed by our Battalion EXO, Major Manaran, sir. And to my close friend, best friend, boss, Captain Matalinog, maligalig na estro, sir. Also to my former snappy executive officers, Captain Paga and Lieutenant Castro. And also to Lieutenant Jennifer Guevara and Lieutenant Nicole Bayan. To my snappy current executive officer and basketball teammate, Mark, First Lieutenant Mark Nicor. And also to my snappy platoon leader who makes beautiful Sundays extra special, First Lieutenant Richard Arroyo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To all junior officers, to my colleagues, sa lahat ng aking mga chief of section, to all my NCOs, at sa lahat ng aking tropa, sa Cutting Edge family, led by my outstanding First Sergeant, Technical Sergeant Roger Batbat. To all dependents present, ma'am, di ko na kayo maisa-isa. From the very beginning, ma'am, I am very thankful of your presence. And most importantly, to my family who made time to attend to this very important event in my life. Ma'am, please stand to be. To my ate and friends. Sir, very close family kasi dito, sir. Naiiyak din si Jen, sir. Papapo nata, sir. First of all, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for making this day possible to me. Exactly 10 years ago today was my graduation from PMA, which makes this moment extra special. From then, little did I know, I would forever carry with me the pride of leading this company. Cutting Edge, I now stand before you for the last time as your company commander. Though this is not the time to say goodbye, but a perfect time to say, for 2 years of my stint, I am indeed very proud of you all, of what you have become under my watch, as better rangers, fathers to your families, brothers in arms, and better individual in life. When I assumed command of this company, I knew I was inheriting a group with history, grit, and reputation for excellence, knowing that our battalion commander is one of my predecessors. As I forged my own, I was amazed by the depth of your professionalism, strength of your character, and unwavering commitment you bring to our mission every single day. You've shown me that we are not just a unit, but a family who stood together that conquered every challenge along the way. Company commander is not only the highlight of my career, but indeed the happiest moment of my officership. I was able to practice the line, I am the master of my fate, and I am the captain of my soul. But I took note from the very beginning that command is a privilege, yet responsibility. It is not a right, not a reward, and certainly not a solo endeavor. Whatever success our company has achieved during my tenure, every field operation executed, and every mission accomplished, it all belongs to you, my Cutting Edge family. As I always say, training is the Ranger's bedrock of excellence. Together we trained in the rain, the heat, and the cold. As we trained, we adapted to change and further turned setbacks into lessons and lessons into strengths. That is what the professionals do. As I've said, I do not need photo ops to please my eyes, but I need proper execution to please my mind. To 6SRC, may you continue the grit you are holding, to not falter the integrity you have in our company. As you go along, I pray that may shadows continue to hide you and bright stars to guide you. Sa lahat ng aking staff NCOs, mga chief, hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa, pinausap ko na kayo. Maraming salamat sa pinakita niyong pagsisikap. You almost perfected working the so-called complete staff work, displaying hallmark of professionalism, initiative, and operational excellence. Sa aking magigiting na team leaders, salamat sa inyong suporta. Salamat sa inyong suporta sa bawat misyon na ating tinatahak. Hindi nyo lamang pinagaan ang aking trabaho sa bundok, bagkus ako'y nagkaroon ng kumpiyansa sa ating mga lakad dahil pinakita nyo sa akin ang maayos na pagtanggap sa responsibilidad na inyong ginagampanan. Team leaders, thank you very much. Thank you for developing a critical thinking skill, and please maintain the positive attitude and right mindset at all times. To all my NCOs, remember that you are the backbone of this company. You enforce standards when it was inconvenient. Ipagpatuloy niyong i-mentor ang ating mga kasamahan sa oras na kailangan nila ng direksyon. At panatilihin ang disiplina hindi dahil sa pagpuri ng iba, kundi dahil yun ang kailangan sa pagiging mabuting ehemplo. Sa ating mga juniors, kayo ang kinabukasan ng ating kumpanya. Ang inyong lakas at kagustuhang matuto ay siyang nagbibigay ng sigla at momentum sa ating grupo. Huwag niyong i-underestimate ang maliliit na bagay na inyong ginagawa dahil lahat ng yan ay parte ng accomplishment ng ating mission. Tandaan nyo, kayo ang unang gumigising bago magliwanag ang araw at siyang huling natutulog sa lalim ng gabi upang siguraduhin na ang lahat ay nasa ayos. Isa kayo sa nagbubuhat ng bigat, pisikal at mental nang walang pagrereklamo. So juniors, the company, salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. To the leaders who stood beside me, my first sergeant, first, thank you for being a great father to our troops. Sa level mo pa lang, sold na. My XO, Bob, Mark, thank you for the willingness to learn under my steam, and may you continue your good role as XO in this time. To my platoon leader, Bob Richard, thank you for leading the way in our operations. I hope that all the matters you have learned in me will bear fruit in you someday. Good commanders are shaped by strong teams, and I was very fortunate to have one of the best. And before anything else, lest we forget our brothers who paid the ultimate sacrifice in the service. They may be gone, but shall never be forgotten. As I recall my journey, I can't help but remember some good old days. To my best buddies, Deadpool and Tobias, Sir Boss, our trek was never easy, but all missions were properly executed with big smile on our faces, especially those operations other than war. Thank you, sir and boss, for making everything extraordinary. To my battalion commander, sir, thank you, sir, for the trust and confidence you've given me during my stint, and for all the learning you shared. Just to share, sir, off the record, I was an Air Force candidate when I was PMA, when I was a cadet in PMA. I took qualifying exam and passed it. But when I saw the then Captain Estonina, sir, with all the forms, shades, and snappy patches in uniform, sir, I volunteered my slot to my mista, who is very willing to be an Air Force cadet, and volunteered to join the Philippine Army, especially the Scout Ranger. Sir, totoo talaga yun, sir. Simula LDC, sir, ramdam na ramdam ko na kayo, sir. Kasi yung class nyo yung nagbuha ng baril ko nun, sir. Nagbuhat ako ng 90RR na troso. So, sir, thank you for inspiring me and for being a great mentor to me, sir. To more basketball and Fundador Double Lights with you, sir. At ang karaoke sessions natin, ang basic lang sa atin yan, sir. And what's important is at the end of the day, manage lang at tiwala lang, sir. Thank you, sir, and I hope to serve you and serve with you again someday. To our friend, si Sir Ryan, sir, actually, thank you for the warm welcome. Dito ko siya mag-church lang. Anyway. Sir, kahit Spencer. To my successor, Bong, as I pass to you the keys and the blueprint of this best company, I wish you all the best. Lead with compassion that the virtues set forth by our predecessors, and anchor your leadership in the guidance and motto of our commander, that is mission first, moral always. May you give your best to our troops because they deserve the very best in us. 2 years ago, I promised sir to remain single, to commit myself in my company to stay focused. But behind my efforts, sir, I want to take this opportunity. I want to take this moment to thank my mom and my family who serve as my bedrock and anti-stress whenever I needed freedom. Thank you, Ma, for being understanding and also for all your sacrifices, and most especially for the prayers you offered to my company. I hope I made you proud today. As I relinquish command, I do so with absolute confidence. This company is stronger today than the day I assumed responsibility. Not because of me, but because of all of you, Cutting Edge. Your standards are higher and your cohesion is tighter. Continue to hold each other accountable. Continue to train hard. Continue to take care of one another and take care of your new company commander. To my Cutting Edge family, serving as your commander has been the greatest honor of my career. To all dependents, moms, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Kasi sir, since the very first day when I assumed command, sir, present sila lahat, sir. So, Cutting Edge family, palakpakan natin ang dependents natin. I am proud of what we accomplished. I am proud of our discipline. And I am proud na tumayo sa formation kasama kayo. Stay disciplined, stay lethal, stay sharp, stay ready, and of course, stay alive. Again, thank you for the privilege of leading you. Cutting Edge 6, signing off. And for my second task, Headquarters, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Special Operations Command, Philippine Army, Camp Lucero, Barangay Nasapian, Carmen, North Cotabato, dated 13 March 2026. Relinquishment of command. Pursuant to Section 1, Special Operations Number 11, Headquarters, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Special Operations Command, Philippine Army, dated 01 March 2026. I hereby relinquish command of the 6th Scout Ranger Company, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Special Operations Command, Philippine Army, effective this date, and I sign in your presence.
May we call out Captain Ray Dominic Esposito, Infantry Philippine Army, incoming commanding officer of 6th Scout Ranger Company, for the reading of signing of this action order.
Headquarters, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Special Operations Command, Philippine Army. Camp Lucero, Barangay Nasipian, Carmen North, Cotabato. Dated 13 March 2026. Instruction Command. Pursuant to Section 2, Special Orders Number 11. Headquarters, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Special Operations Command, Philippine Army. Dated 01 March 2026. I hereby assume command of the 6th Scout Ranger Company, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Special Operations Command, Philippine Army, effective this date, and I sign in your presence.
We will now witness the turnover of the unit symbol. The company color is a state symbol of authority. On this occasion, the handing to the flag to the new commanding officer signifies that he is now in charge of the unit. At this juncture, Captain Ray Dominic Esposito, Infantry